Did you feel nervous when you first met your wife?
No.
No,
No.
never.
Bhavan,
How did you guys meet first? कैसे मिले?
We met at an award function.
Okay.
I was hosting that award show, and she obviously was the guest on the show, and we met backstage when we had to go on stage from the same wing. So तब बात हुई थी. First time I introduced myself and she introduced herself. That's
How did it start? How did you guys start your conversation and
just that
dating
only, yeah.
period and stuff like that?
Yeah, it was I think how I can put it is just like, you know, ऐसा कुछ होता गया which was just like first few times there was nothing was planned, like कि हम मिलने का plan कर रहे हैं या हमने बात की है, like, you know, the first time we ever spoke to each other was part of an interview. That's the first time we ever spoke to each other while the cameras were on, and it was a film companion interview. And after that, of course, we had each other's numbers, but then it was just like randomly we would just bump into each other, and ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं था. But I think some things were just meant to happen. You know, after a point, you just realize that like you know, it's just happening against all odds, and that's how it happened. And then after a point, like, we stopped questioning it and we stopped just analyzing it and started committing to it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did you think, like, actually, do you think that your life changed before and after?
Evolved is what I'll say.
Nice word.
Yeah.
How do you think evolve कैसे हुई? क्या evolve हुआ?
I would
Post
just say-
marriage.
Yeah, because एक तरीके का यार ये है ना, पहली बार आप किसी के साथ जी रहे हो, like you know, where everything you feel, everything you go through, physically, mentally, emotionally, that person is with you. You know, that person is sharing that emotion with you. It's never just like, I can't be individually happy and I can't be individually sad. It's going to affect the both of us. You know, so that is for me, मैंने पहली बार ही फील किया है ना वो. So that is यार, बहुत सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी होती हैं, बहुत सारा. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं पिछले 2 साल में जितना मैच्योर होऊंगा उतना पहले उतना नहीं, बिकॉज एक आई डोंट नो, देयर इज अ डिफरेंट दिस थिंग टू इट. एक रिदम होती है उसकी, पता नहीं, लाइक यू नो, कि एक होता है कि हाँ यार, नाउ अब लाइफ साथ में देखेंगे.
But how did you decide कि I want to marry? It's just instinct.
It's just love. It's just what you feel. And sometimes you just, and that one thing I feel is very rare, where you feel कि यार यहाँ ना, it's just something from the core. Like, you know, it's just that. And something which comes from your core shouldn't be questioned, is what I've lived by. So I think, like I said, it was always meant to be.